Hello and welcome to this XtensionIT tutorial. Today we're going to look at how you can set up your Webshipper Shipment connector in your Business Central solution. There are a few prerequisites for this video. The first one is that I recommend watching the first video in this series. That's going to show you how to install the Webshipper Shipment connector in your Business Central solution. The other prerequisites for this video are that you should have a Webshipper free trial created, or a free account created. You should have your preferred carriers connected to the Webshipper portal, and you should have installed the Webshipper silent print client as well as set up the printers in the Webshipper portal. There will be links in the descriptions for tutorials how to do this. Once these prerequisites are met, then we can continue on with the setup of the Webshipper Shipment connector in Business Central. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to find the shipment settings. Now, if you're in the sales order processor role, then you can find it in the ribbon here, or you can simply search for shipment settings. Now, once you open this up, there are a few fields that we need to address first. Now, if you have a fresh installation of the Webshipper Shipment connector and you insert your API user and API key into these fields, you should be prompted with a request to insert the account name or the company name into the service section here at the bottom. Now, if you don't get this prompt, what you need to do is you need to insert your account or company name into this section right here. Now, when you've done that, then we need to, of course, ensure that the API user and API key is the correct one. It is usually either an employee account, or it could be the main account for the Webshipper account that you have. So you insert that the email address into the API user and the password for that specific account into the API key. Once you've done that, you can hit test mode and activate, and then the solution will be activated. Now, once you've done this, you need to briefly go into extension management, and then you need to, once this is open up, filter publisher for XtensionIT, and then you need to ensure that the Shipment Core and Webshipper Shipment Connector apps have the allow HTTP client requests enabled. Now, once you've ensured that for both the Shipment Core and the Webshipper Shipment Connector, then you can go back again, go into Actions, Webshipper, and then test the connection. This ensures us that we have indeed made connection to the Webshipper account, and we click OK. And now we want to retrieve the data from the Webshipper account. This is done through the Actions button and go to Get Dataset. Now, this functions as the tooltip states. We'll download the full dataset from Webshipper. This includes shipping agent services, add-ons, package types, and the printers that you set up. And once you've used that function, you will be able to see the various shipping agents, pickup points, package types, and printers that you've downloaded from the account, which looks something like this. And that's about the gist of the general setup of the shipment settings. As I mentioned before, the prerequisite links will be in the description. And if you'd like to know more about XtensionIT and our solutions, there'll be a link to our website in the description as well. So thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.